going to go with these great tropical shades. We're going to do this electric blue, this electric violet, and quartz. So what I'm going to do is brush the quartz all over her eye first, like a base. There you go. And these are called patinas. You know what makes these kind of colors special? These are the kind of colors that I like to use when I do these eyes, because as you buff them, they lay flat and light up on the eyes. So look for mineral shadows. You can find mineral patina shadows with most really good brands, but I love them because as you apply them and buff, you get this light effect. Love them. So we're going to apply, again, the quartz on her entire eye. And I'm going to use the violet now, and we're going to apply the violet all over her lid. Do you see how these mineral type eyeshadows just light up? I love to work with them. These are also really good colors for resort wear and for cruises. They're fun, they're tropical, they're a little more electric. Okay, I'm going to take this electric blue, and we're going to use the electric blue right through the outside of her eye. So we're going to apply it at this angle first, and remember I'm using this angled brush again, and we're going to apply this electric blue right at the, going up like it was a cat eyeliner, right? And then we're going to brush it into her orbital ridge. So if you went, it looks like I'm going very fast and going back and forth, but I'm not. What I'm doing is applying the brush and brushing in, applying the brush and brushing in, applying the brush and brushing in. So in slow motion it looks like this. All right? And when I'm doing this, I'm going like this in slow motion. It's actually very controlled, it just looks like it's random. Before we apply liner, I'm going to take more of this electric blue and watch. We are going to open your eye. We're going to line with it on the inner corner. We're going to apply it . All right, now I'm going to take a little bit more of the violet. Open your eye. I'm going to apply a little violet right over that. And when you use violets and blues together, they become electric, like ultraviolet. I'm going to take an indigo blue liner, which is indigo is like a dark denim blue, right? It's almost navy. Close your eyes. So I'm lining with an indigo blue liner. And we're going to go ahead and we're going to line her entire upper lid with indigo blue. Now we're going to extend the indigo up in the corner of her eye, a little bit of cat eye, just like so. Wow, that looks really good. All right, now I'm going to open, and we're going to line underneath a little bit of indigo too in the outer corner, and we're going to kind of smudge it in. And I connected it all out here. She has a great shaped eye. So we're kind of following the shape of her eye with a liner and extending it out. All right, close your eye. Now I'm going to go back in with a small brush and the electric blue. Way up this way in the corner, and I'm going to smudge over the indigo. Close. And we're going to blend out with powder. Now, so we're going to apply her blush, but instead of using regular blush, we're going to use a highlight color. The one I'm choosing is a cream blush, and it's pearl. And it's like pink pearl. So I'm going to apply the cream with a brush. Close your eyes. And we're going to apply it on her cheeks, and it's just going to light her up. Because we did so heavy on the eyes, we really got to watch what we're doing for blush. But you have to look at me. There you go. I didn't want to use a bright color or we would have started to look kind of, yeah, kind of like a peacock. So instead I'm just using this sheer pearl. So we're just lighting her cheek up with just a little bit of light. And, let me see something. I'm even going to go over a little bit over her brow bone with it, because it's just pearl. It's adding a little pearl sheen. Now I'm going to add a little bit of a black liquid line on her upper lid. Close your eye. So we're going to intensify this look. Yeah, there you go. We're going to just intensify this a little bit more. Just let that dry before you open your eye. All right, now I'm going to go ahead and apply color to her lips, and we're going to use a very soft pink. Now when you apply a lot of makeup like this, and you're going to go with the heavy colors, the secret to not looking ridiculous, close your lips for me, is keep all the colors in the same family. So for example, now if I was going to use an orange lipstick with such blue eyeshadows, that's when you start looking like the mail order bride, right? So instead, notice how I chose a violet and a blue and a pink quartz. They're all in the same family. And the blush, again, it was icy pink, same family. The lips are a soft pastel pink now, again, the same family. So you just got to be sure you're not going to use, you got to stay in the same color family. So if you could do the very same look with her eyes, for example. Instead of doing the 3 electric colors, I could have done 3 electric metallics, couldn't I? I could have done a great copper, an amazing gold, an amazing bronze. And same method, but they're in the same family, they're warm. If I started mixing the khaki and the purple, or the copper and the blue, that's when you start looking not so good. Mail order bride. Close your lips for me. All right, so now I'm going to apply mascara. Okay, so this is what I call the wild makeup look. This is perfect for that girls' night out or that weekend, that bachelorette party in Vegas, or just when you really feel like you just want to wear a lot of color. So you can see it's fierce.